Alright guys, so first we're going to turn to our social studies book. That's this one. We're going to turn to page 22. When you turn to page 22, you're going to see some directions, right? So, pause this video, turn to page 22, and then follow along. Alright. Directions. Directions tell us where people and objects can be found. And we also see that the compass, this is a compass here, is an instrument which shows directions so we can find places easily. So you see those arrows? Look at the black arrows. The first one is pointing up. Let's go. Up. The next one is pointing down. Down. Okay, so point your head upwards. Up. Now down. Down. Good. Now let's move on to the blue arrows. One is to the left and one is to the right. Okay, so what I want you to do is get a pencil, a marker, a sticker, and you're going to mark your left hand and your right hand. Now, if you're looking at me on the camera, it's going to be the opposite direction. So you now have to move to the left. Now move to the right. Good job. So you can pause the video here and get your stickers if you don't already have them. Now we have these 4 purple arrows. Let's see. One is to the left. The next arrow is pointing, let's do our head, up. The next arrow is pointing down. And the last arrow, the 4th arrow, is pointing to the right. Good job. Now, on page 23, you are going to circle which arrow in those 4 arrows here is pointing to the left. Think about the sticker on your hand. Now you're going to circle which arrow is pointing up. So if you see an arrow that's pointing upwards, circle it now. All right, let's look at the orange arrows right here. So you're going to circle which arrow is pointing to the right. Look at your hands. See which sticker is for the right. Okay, now look at the arrows. Which side is on the same side as your hand that has the right sticker on it? Yeah, circle that one. Now, circle which arrow is pointing to the left. Look at your hands again. Which one is pointing to the left? Now look at the arrows. Which one is on the left? Okay, good job. Now circle that arrow. Okay, so I want you to do this with me. Up, down. One more time. Up, down. Now move to your left. Look at your hands. Which sticker? Now move to your right. Good job.